What's up, everybody? Well, this is just a quick disclaimer. I just want to let you know that this particular video had to be recorded on my phone with me holding it because I couldn't get my GoPro's SD card formatted on the mountain. So it's not the greatest as far as video, like, you know, stability and stuff, but it's totally worth watching because this was the most epic powder day I've had in the last couple of years. And it happened to be at Discovery Ski Resort, all right? So, it's a short video. Make sure you guys watch it to the end. I'll see you later. Well, guys, I'm gonna try this. And I don't know how well it's gonna work because this is my phone and I gotta hold it in front of me. So I'm gonna try my hardest not to lose it. But I'm gonna take you down this line I've been going that gave me all this baptism all over my face. So here we go. It might get a little windy on you, but just to show you guys, check this out. Yeah, it's just that kind of powder day. Just like that, you know what I mean? All right, here we go. Let's see if we get some freshies. And boom, just like that, you know what I mean? Figured I'd take a seat for a second. Somebody downwind from me right now. There's no bottom.
No, I bet not.
Whew. Well, there it goes. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. So I guess I lost you guys there for a second, but that's just what happens. And as you can see, my insulation barrier is now in full effect. So anyway, you guys take care. I'm going to work on the GoPro. Alright guys, so we're going to do this one more time. I'm going to run the granite lift line and hold on for dear life to my phone so I don't lose it, since it's the only recording device I have right now. So let's hit it up. And by the way, in case you haven't realized, it is snowing again. So free refills are always awesome. So like I said, you want the true Montana experience, shout out to Discovery Ski Area, man. This place is epic. It's like a taxiway.
I know.
Prepare for launch, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and save Goodfinger for the last run on this lift. It's about 2 o'clock, probably 1:30, somewhere around there. So I'm gonna get one more bomber run off the granite lift, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start slamming Anaconda, because I was on that lift line earlier, and as you can see, it was bottomless. But here we go. There's the run right there. So let's do this. Into the softies we go, man. And it is deep in here. Whew. getting jostled around. See, this is why I wish my GoPro was working, because you guys would get a so much better view. See? Little brushies right there. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. Slow it down for a second. Find a good spot. You know, I kind of like the line I'm on. Let's hit it. There's one for the books. Yeah, nice little pow explosions, couple of good face shots, and into Yetiville. So anyway, we're gonna get down to this meadow right over here and have some more fun. Like that. Whoa! Woo! Having a lot of fun. So anyway, like I said, ultimate powder days. You guys gotta get out of here. I'll see you later. Oh man. Give you guys a little kiss, because that's the only way I can turn off my phone. And just like that, the Yeti returns. Ah! Shout out to Discovery. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, share it with a friend, and don't forget your notification bell. I will see you next time as I look like the winter style of the Grinch. Happy Powder Day. And just like that, it was so worth it. I'm telling you. Oh, what a great powder day. And no, I'm not cold. I'm insulated, so I'm very, very warm. Anyway, hit a cliff by accident. So, you know, oops. Stuck it, blew up, you know. Nice powder explosion, but totally unexpected. So I'll watch out for that one for next time. Anyway, I just figured I'd show you the awesome Yetiness that you get from powder days in Montana. You guys take care. I'll see you later. Check it out, man. I got hula dancers on my chin. It's gonna be a while before this stuff melts off.